While I was in Japan for the summer, I spent a day thrifting for some random cute items. Here are the kawaii goodies that I found that I cannot wait to show you. Here we go. Let's start the haul with these Halloween-inspired cakes that have been on my wish list since forever. They're actually gachapon miniature dessert keychain charms. Gachapons, or also known as gachas, are those mystery capsule toys you can find all over Japan. Normally, if you search online, these specific ones can go for around $6 to $10 each, and that's if you can even find them. But I scored these at BookOff, which is a popular secondhand store in Japan. I paid 440 yen for two. That's about $3 in total. Such a steal, right? There are lots of other gacha sets where similar collectibles are designed to look like desserts behind this release, but I think the Halloween Sweets edition are the most special. They're so detailed and absolutely perfect for anyone who loves Dakotan or Halloween. Look at the tiny toppings such as the witch's hat and frosting details. It almost looks real enough to eat. Another gacha item I found is this baby honey bear bottle. A while back, I saw the actual capsule vending machine and got the bear with a blue tip. Thanks to BookOff, I have the pink one now. So lucky. It's just so sweet looking and quirky. I probably spent hours at BookOff browsing through almost everything to see what I could bring back until I found something related to Pokemon Peaceful Place because I just adore the simplified chibi design. That's how I chose this fancy ceramic plate, which was sealed in a box, so I kinda had no clue what was really inside. Later, I found out it was actually part of an anime merch lottery, also known as Ichiban Koji, in Japan, where you can win exclusive prizes featuring beloved anime characters. The interesting thing is that I thought I had the yellow Pikachu and Pichu plate, like what's pictured on the box, but to my delightful surprise, I got the blue Sleeping Piplup and Rowlet plate. The last item I grabbed at BookOff is a super cute notepad with the same Pokemon Peaceful Place characters, which originally also came from the same lottery. By the way, the ceramic plate was around $5 and the notepad that you see is around $1.50. Such a bargain for these fun Pokemon collectibles. After shopping at BookOff, my next stop was Surugaya, one of my favorite stores across Japan because it's a 100 yen shop. It's kind of like a dollar store, but honestly way cuter and so much more organized. It really feels like you can find everything there. I spotted kitchenware that looked way cuter than what I usually see back home, a massive collection of stationery and crafting supplies, where the crafting supplies were almost sold out, various home goods, and of course, tons of adorable character items and snacks. The best part, almost everything is 100 yen, which is about $1. At first, I wasn't even sure if that was true, since I didn't notice any price tags. But yeah, the ones I picked up were. I ended up getting Pokemon stickers, Sanrio keychains, and a super cute storage case, shaped like a video game console with bear ears. This was definitely the holy grail find for me, all for just 110 yen each. The extra 10 yen is tax. After Surugaya, I made my way to Surugaya, which is another secondhand store just like BookOff. I ended up finding yet another anime lottery prize from the Pokemon Peaceful Place line. It's an embroidered charm patch of Esper for just $1.50. The final place I visited was Lashinbang, yet another shop for secondhand collectibles that can look as good as new. And this is where I found the cutest plush toy in my eyes. By now, you probably know that I love everything Poke Peaceful Place related. So of course, I had to get this cute Pichu plush. Not only was it in almost superb condition and came with its original tag, it was also heavily discounted and I got it for less than $5. And finally, my last finds of the day were these super cute little twin stars keychains at Lashinbang for 960 yen which is around $6.50. They're really detailed for something that was just released alongside a box of chocolate biscuits in Japan. That's all for today's thrift adventure, and I hope you enjoyed my little treasure hunt. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me next time for more hauls of random cute stuff. Bye bye!